So while I'm doing laundry, I decided to check my commissions, right? Because I hadn't checked them all day. And as you can see right here, a $900 commission came in over 3 hours ago while I was just sitting here doing laundry. People, this is what it's all about. Now, how is that able to how am I able to have that happen? This is what happens when you have a business that's automated. This is what happens when you have a business that's running in the background for you while you're just doing something simple as folding clothes and doing laundry. Guys, all I do is create 2 to 3 pieces of content, guys, on a platform where over 5 billion people come to every day. I followed a simple step-by-step blueprint that has now equipped me with the skills and taught me how to market, how to create content, and my content is attracting people who are looking for what I have to offer, right? And I didn't have to create no products. I didn't have to get on the phone with anybody because I have an automated system that runs my business literally 24/7 while I can be out doing the things that I love doing. Something as simple as folding clothes and doing laundry for my wife. Guys, if you would like to learn what I'm doing, where you can work 2 hours a day and have automated income literally coming in off of content, excuse me, then we're going to teach you how to do just working 2 hours a day around your family, right? Then put the word yes in the comments and I'll be happy to send you guys over that information.